You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more country names and also including in particular names from actual Malaysia or vocabulary from there, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you want to learn from. Definitely English pronunciation here we're talking about is Malay. Ma, not ma. Generally in English it's a schwa sound, it's a ma. Malay. Malay. How to pronounce, stress on the second syllable, Malay, from Malaysia. How to pronounce Malay, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.